To share the internet connection through a QR code with Motorola Moto G15, first I'm going to show you how to share it from another device to your Motorola, and then I'm going to show you how to do it in vice versa. So first of all, we need to open a settings on our Motorola, navigate to network and internet, and enter a Wi-Fi settings. Right here, if you want to share it from, let's say, this device, we also need to open our internet settings and then click on our network, just like that. In some cases, you will need to click on QR code. Then you can share it by scanning QR code from your Motorola, and you can do it simply by selecting adding network, and then there's the QR code. Just pick up your phone and scan this QR code, as I said. Then if you want to do it but using your Motorola, then all you have to do is click on the network that you want to share and then select the share button. You also need to unlock your phone. And here you'll be able to also scan the QR code, or also you will see a password. And from another device, you will need to open the QR code scanner and then scan this QR code. And that is basically everything.